CockroachDB supported single sign-on for DB console and CC console for a while. Today, we're going to introduce single sign-on for CockroachDB CLI. It is an industry-first method to authenticate to a database via JWT tokens. This capability allows you to authenticate with a cluster via an IDP of your choice and issues SQL commands. I've written articles covering SSO for DB console previously. You may find articles covering Google OAuth, Microsoft Identity Platform and Okta. High-level steps: provision a CockroachDB cluster, configure Okta, configure CockroachDB with the Okta details. Verify conclusion. Step-by-step instructions. Provision a CockroachDB cluster. SSO for SQL can be set up for CockroachDB self-hosted and our hosted offerings. Follow this tutorial to set up a dedicated cluster. I'm using a Docker environment with the latest 22.2 beta image where this capability is available. Configure Okta. I am using an Okta developer account. You can get one by signing up here. Follow this tutorial to set up an application integration. In your Okta console, create an app integration /add app /create new app. Check the box for OIDC. OpenID connect. Check the box for the native application. Click next, name the application. Optionally upload a logo. And then check the box for resource owner password. Assign access or click skip group assignments and click save. Go to assignments and click assign to people. Click the assignments tab and add your existing users, in my case Artem. This almost completes our work in the Okta console. We need to fill out the required properties in SQL below with the details of our Okta integration. Configure CockroachDB with the Okta details. You do need an enterprise license for this feature to work. In dedicated, this is already taken care of, but in self-hosted, you need to provide your organization and license if not yet set. Set cluster setting. Cluster organization equals set cluster setting. Enterprise license equals the following 5 properties will be pre-filled with the information from Okta. In dedicated, some of this information will be pre-populated using our automation. In self-hosted, you have to capture this info yourself. Set cluster setting server. JWT_authentication. Enabled equals on, set cluster setting server. JWT_authentication. Issuers equals, set cluster setting server. JWT_authentication. Audience equals, set cluster setting server. JWT_authentication. JWKS equals, set cluster setting server. Identity_map. Configuration equals, the server. Set cluster setting server. JWT_authentication. Issuers equals devnumber.okta.com. Please note to specify the standard URL and not the admin URL, i.e. https://devnumberadmin.okta.com/ The server. JWT_authentication. Audience property is the Okta client ID. You may find it in your Okta console. The server. JWT_authentication. JWKS can be captured by navigating to /OAuth2/v1/keys endpoint of your Okta organization, i.e. https://devnumber. okta.com/OAuth2/v1/keys. Copy the entire output string. The server. Identity_map. Configuration property is your Okta URL, client ID secret and SQL user as per the PostgreSQL documentation. Set cluster setting server. Identity_map. Configuration equals devnumber.okta. Com Okta user ID from admin URL roach. The Okta user ID from admin URL can be found by navigating to the specific user in the Okta admin console and copying the ID from the URL. Finally, execute the queries in the CockroachDB CLI. At this point, we have to request a JWT token from Okta. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.